I'm Shae Russell for mining.com.au, and joining me today is Damien Keys, the Managing Director for Sunshine Metals. Damien, it's fabulous to see you again. How are you?
I'm good, thanks, Shae.
Now, congratulations on this recent news. You have raised $3 million and a substantial shareholder, I believe, has increased their stake in your company. Mate, can you talk me through the particulars of this capital raising?
Yeah, so we've just raised $3 million, which will be used to push forward on our shallow gold targeted campaign, drilling campaign. We have had Lion Selection follow their initial investments and actually increase that initial investment. They're now a substantial 7% shareholder in Sunshine. We are very thankful for that following, they've been a tremendous cornerstone for us and fully behind the story.
With Lion Selection Group increasing their stake in a company, it's certainly a vote of confidence in the direction that you're taking. Now, speaking of taking, obviously you are now cashed up. Tell me, how are you planning on spending this money?
Yeah, so we are definitely chasing shallow gold in oxide. So on top of our Liontown resource, our substantial 6 million tonne gold, copper, zinc resource, there is actually an oxide profile that contains about 21,000 ounces of gold in oxide and transitional material. So these systems are rich in gold. We're going to be chasing those shallower portions and really proving that up. So initially that involves only a limited amount of drilling and some metallurgical test work. The same can be said across the top of the Plateau deposit. Now, Plateau is on a package of ground in that Ravenswood Consolidated District that we're farming into. And the top of the Plateau system appears to have about 15,000 ounces of gold in that oxide profile as well. They're not huge positions in their own right at this stage, but there's certainly scope to grow those. And at these gold prices, 15 to 20,000 ounces is quite a sweet spot for a low capex, near-term cash flow opportunity. Further to that, just quickly, we do have advanced exploration targets at Tigertown and Coronation, where recent drilling, all those samples have been dispatched to the laboratory, and we're looking forward to results in the next week or two.
Damien, that sounds like there isn't an awful lot of activity happening for Sunshine Metals in a good way. Given all the news flow that's going to be coming, what can investors look forward to see next?
Yeah, so we do have drill results from Tigertown. The drilling, we've been sneaking these little drill programs in between a very wet season up here. So we've managed to be active even through the wet. Tigertown drilling, it's a reconnaissance program targeting that shallow gold. We've drilled in and around historic hits, 17 metres at 3 grams per tonne from about 22 metres and 33 metres at about 2 grams, and that's from 12 metres depth. So we've stepped off those intersections and trying to grow that system. We think there's real potential to have a nice bulk position there. Further to that, the Coronation drilling, so Coro's now finished and it's been dispatched to the laboratory as well. So there's drilled sample that we're waiting on from both prospects. Further to that drilling at Liontown, drilling at Plateau. So we're active, and the news will be flowing over the next few weeks.
I love to see how active Sunshine Metals is and sneaking in little drill programs during the wet season. Very clever. Listen, I look forward to these announcements coming out over the next few weeks. Damien, thank you so much for being here today.
Cheers, Shae. Thanks.